and welcome to Kerry's Cards. I'm going to demonstrate now how to build up and make one of the lovely square pillow boxes that you can find in the mini catalogue on page 9. They don't look much when they're down there, number 3, but when they are made up they are really cute little boxes for putting things in. So I'm just going to show you what one looks like when it comes. You get them in packs of 10. And they come with self-adhesive bits on, and they've also got they're food safe because they're shiny on one side, but this side is stampable, and by that means we can decorate it. So what I'm going to demonstrate now is how to make this little box that we've got here, and the way to decorate it to make sure that when you wrap your box up that all your flowers are the right way round. Mine here aren't, because I folded the box up, or I stamped it and then folded it up and realised it was wrong. So I've worked out now how to make sure that when you fold it up that your box is in the right way, and we'll go from there. The other alternative you can make, and I've spotted it on the Celebration catalogue, is one of these bigger boxes. Now this just uses exactly the same box that's here, but what they've done, or what we've done to make it into this particular size, is we cut it right down the middle of the box there, which might seem counterintuitive and you might make you panic a bit. But if you cut it all the way down and then put heavy double-sided tape on each of the sides that you've cut, then you are able to add a strip of paper, designer series paper. Can you see there? So it's stuck on with double-sided tape on both of the edges. That's one half of the box and that's the other half of the box there. We're not going to do that one today. We are just going to make the smaller box. But then you can see that actually by adding that extra little strip of designer series paper, this is 3 inches, then what that's done is it's made it so that we can put bigger stuff in, bigger things inside, so when you open it up you've got a little bit more storage space in there to pop a gift. So let's move on to how we're going to make this box and decorate it. So we need to, I'm going to put some paper down to line my desk because I don't want to get stamped inked images on my desk. So I'm just going to use a piece of grid paper, and using the way the box is going to fold, this is going to be the top part of the box and this is going to be the front part that you open, and this is the base of the box. So these pieces will fold over and stick on top of here. So this bit here will stick on top of there, this bit here will stick on top of there. So to make sure that when we fold our box up all our images are the right way, so they're going that way, we're going to stamp on this, this and this, and this one, with the outside circle being the bottom of the box. Okay, now this bit here, because we've got this circle shape here, it makes it hard to stamp without getting it on this part here. So it's a little trick that I've worked out how to do to stop that, is by taking your piece of designer series paper, a piece of scrap paper, I'm just going to draw myself, or go around the edge of the box, the square pillow. That's come down a bit more there, and then I'm going to cut using my scissors that shape out, and that shape that we've just cut there we can then use on that edge there. So when we come to stamp, when we stamp now, we won't be getting any ink on this part of our box. So let's do this one first. So let's get our lemon and lime twist. I'll just do a couple of flowers I'm going to clean my stamp block off because look, I've just got ink everywhere. That's a really juicy stamp. It's a bit too wet for my liking. Okay, so then we can turn that round, and now we can stamp anywhere on here, but again by making sure that we are stamping on the outside of our circle. One more twist. And then let's get some nice flowers. So we'll have some soft pink flowers. The closed ones. Okay, and then we'll do the pool party for the hearts. And I've picked this colourway because I've matched up, taken the colours from the designer series paper to match it. Let's make sure we put the hearts up. Oh, that's the wrong colour. Shut that one down before I do that again. Oh, I've missed a flower, look. Right, so that's the edges of the box decorated. Now the other thing you could do is stamp some wording around the box. And here's another one that I've done exactly the same way, but this time I've stamped the happy birthday from The Biggest Wish around the outside of the box first, and then stamped a cupcake on the bottom, and then I've put a tag on the top. So again, the same rules apply, that when you stamp on these bits here, turn it round so this bit is always facing you, so you'd stamp your happy up that way, birthday, happy, and then birthday. And that would make sure then that your writing is the right way round on your box. Okay. So what we'll need to do once we've done that, I'm going to make a little gift tag here. So I'm not going to stamp the box, but obviously you could, or the top. And now you just bend it. It's very difficult to, normally you'd use your bone folder, but because these are circular, it makes it a little bit harder to use, and you can't really use your bone folder, so you just have to bend it with your fingers, a little bit of time, to try and crease at the edges with your fingers. I think I'm getting black everywhere, black ink. And then same with this side, just gently bend it with your fingers to start with, and eventually it will give, because they're very solid score lines that have been put in for you already. Can you see the shape now? And then once you think you're ready and you've bent it enough, squash it all together before you peel off the sticky labels, just to make sure that you're happy with, because it gives you a little bit more strength to, not strengthen, but to re-embrace the folds or the score lines. So when you're ready and you're in that position and you're folded, I hold it still nice and tight with my hand, use my nail or picky tool, peel off the sticky part and then squash it down, and that's one side done, and it'll hold itself. And then the next one is the same, hold it down so you know that you're in the right position, use your nail or picky tool, peel off the sticky side or the non-sticky side to reveal the sticky side, and then press and hold. And then you have your little gift box that's ready for you to do your finishing touches with the ribbon and however you want to decorate it. So in this instance, what I've used is a label from the balloon set that's in the main catalogue, and then I've used the bumblebee, what do you call it, honeycomb, and the lemon lime twist. This is lemon lime twist cardstock, and just stamped the same colour over the top, just to give it a little bit of dimension. I've then stamped myself a little bee. Let's see if I've got some scrap white card. So here's some scrap white card, and using the base body from the bee and the black, it's actually easier, I find, for this one. That might be a bit big. Let's take that off from there. It's easier, I find, to do the bee colour first. Just try and remember what I did. Bee colour first. Daffodil Delight here. And then the black. But you might actually, I don't find it that's not very good. Look, see how I've not matched it up, so I'm going to try the other way around. Do the black first, and then yellow. Yeah, that's the better way, because you can see where the black is in terms of the line, whereas that one, because that is so black, I can't see where the yellow circle is underneath the bee. That's a lot better. You see how I've got closer to his bottom with his tail? Then let's give him a little face. Like so. And let's punch him out. Let's put the ink away first before I drop something in it. Oh, we need some wings as well, don't forget. So another scrap piece. Some wings. These ones I did here, I did on pink. I'm going to do white while I've got the white out. But we could, don't forget, actually colour these in if we wanted to. As well, we don't have to leave them white. They could be coloured in. Get my punch. I'm going to do my bee first. Oh, I put the smiley face on the wrong bee, but it doesn't really matter. I'll do another one as well to punch him out. There we go. Oh, and then our hearts, wings. One, I always shut my eyes when I do this in case it hits me. I wear glasses, so it shouldn't really bother. Right, it's not going down properly, so I'm just going to cut that there. There we go. So 2 wings. Now this time, instead of making the flower with them, we can do my face on this one first. Yep. Now do you see there how my image hasn't taken properly? So I haven't stamped it properly. So what you can do if that happens to you is just get your black marker pen. Just divide that ink in there. And colour it in. Okay. So now he looks better. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue on each corner of the wings, just there, and then pop them on like that. The same again with there to there. And then I'm going to just poke out all the bits here. You could use any tag punch that you've got or shape. I like this one because it's got all these bits in, so it makes it look more like honeycomb in my head anyway. Okay. And then let's pop him on there. Now I know that I'm going to stick in this. I want his, I didn't put his antennae on there. So let's give him some antennae for this one. And I'm going to place it sort of there. And then when I know roughly where I want it to go, I'm going to pull it away and then stamp. So that when I use my 3D dimensionals, pop him on and pop him underneath his antennas. So it looks like he's got them. If I put one upside down, does it matter? Because I've got the hole there. Oh well, never mind. So, put that one away. So then we have, I need some ribbon. Now the amount of ribbon I used on this, I think, I went round once. So I went round once, that way, and then again, and then some for tying. So it should be, let's measure this out with a ruler. So that's 12, 24, about 26 inches of ribbon. This is a sweet sorbet that matches the set. Just go around. And there's our little gift set, gift box with tag. You could write something on there, you could write on the other side, but then if you see around the sides now, you can see that all your flowers are the right way up. So there we have a lovely little gift box, square pillow box, and as I said, there's a third option where we've put the writing round. And our little trick then to remember is to draw around the edge of the circle to be able to stamp. And then this is one if you wanted to elongate the pillow box and make it into a rectangle pillow box instead. We cut it straight down the middle where the finger holds were and then stuck some paper. I'll put the measurements of the paper that I've used here in the description below in the video. So happy crafting, have some fun and enjoy making some creations. Take care, bye.